Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today we're going to do a fun, summery, color-changing glittered tumbler. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm starting with a white sublimation tumbler, and I sanded it very lightly because I need a white base. And I'm using this super cute vinyl that I got from Maestro Creations. And I'm going to cut these into, I think I do 3-inch strips. And then I'm using these 3 UV color changing glitters. Now, hindsight, I probably would have only used the 2 because, as you'll see, the orange is very, very subtle, but the purple and the blue are beautiful. So, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and cut these into 3-inch strips, and I'm going to place the first strip 1 inch down on the tumbler, and then underneath that one, another inch gap, and then the vinyl again. And I'm using this amazing tool from Cami Page Boutique, and it comes with a place to hold your pencil so that I can draw a line all the way around, and it'll be even. So I just tighten up the little screw and find exactly where I put a mark on there 1 inch down, and I'm just going to turn the tumbler all the way around so that I draw a line, knowing that's where I'm going to put my first vinyl strip. And then from the bottom of that strip down, I do another line and then add that second strip of vinyl. So once I'm done with that, this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to use some painter's tape to cover up the top and the bottoms of each of these vinyl strips because I need to glitter and I don't want to get the Crystalac glitter glue onto my vinyl. So I am just using the Crystalac glitter glue to adhere the glitter, and I do a nice thickish even coat all the way around the tumbler. And the first one I'm going to use is the white to purple. All these glitters are from Maestro Creations, and they just look like white glitter. And once you take it out into the bright sun, it will change colors. And I will show you using a UV flashlight that I have. But so I do the top one in purple, and the middle stripe is going to be this white to orange. But like I said, it's such a subtle thing. It's not as bright as the blue or the purple. So I probably would have foregone the middle strip, or maybe did a combination of the blue and the purple. I'm not sure. But once I get each stripe done, I do remove the tape from that so it doesn't dry and pull up any of that glitter. And then the very bottom, I'm going to use the white to blue. Once this completely dries, I will seal it with the glitter glue as well before I do 2 coats of epoxy. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you the changing color. And look how pretty this is. Like I said, the orange is so subtle you can't even see it. So it just looks like white glitter. And then the top one with the purple. So once this completely dries, I do add 2 coats of epoxy before we move on to striping the tumbler. I obviously really wanted you guys to see the color changing, even under the epoxy. So, and I really tried to get that orange to show up. So once I am completely done with showing off the color changing, I had cut out stripes from different colors, metallic, or the color shifting holographic vinyl. And so I kind of wanted it to coordinate with each of the glitter colors. So this one is a pink to purple shift, and all the colors that are in here is actually in the vinyl. So no matter what it looked like, it all goes together. And so I'm just good. I cut out 2 different size strips, and I went with the bigger. I believe this was 0.250 inches, and then by obviously 11. And then I just cut off the excess. And so for that middle stripe, I used like a yellow to orange. And I did the top and the bottom of that. And then the very bottom one, I did a blue to green shift. So then I found this on Creative Fabrica, and I created an offset for it, and it just says Summer Vibes, and I really wanted the holographic vinyl to stand out, so I did do a black offset so that it would stand out, and I just used like a green to yellow shift for that. I'm going to go ahead and put on the transfer tape and then place that onto the tumbler right in the center. And then I'm going to go ahead and place down the words in that holographic vinyl. Look how stinking cute this is. Okay, so I am going to seal this using the Ccdiy Quick Coat and then give it 2 final coats of epoxy after showing you guys the color changing glitter once again. And then once that is all done, after the 2 final coats of epoxy, this is what we have. And I just love it. I think it's so stinking cute. And I love the different vinyls on it. The holographic vinyls, and again, showing you the color changing. I just could not get that orange. I don't know if either I just received plain white, but you can kind of see an orange in it. It's just weird. It just won't show up on camera or even in person, really. But this will be available on the website if you are interested. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.